Welcome to WinAirvideo. Today we're diving deep into the October 2025 milestone for the Manning Road Roundabout and the widening of County Road 42. Two projects reshaping local travel, safety, and connectivity for years to come. Traffic is flowing north, south, east, and soon west around the completed Manning Road Roundabout. Access to local business has been increased but won't be unrestricted until the widening of County Road 42 from Manning to L'Esperance is completed later this year. After months of heavy construction that began this past spring, the new two-lane roundabout officially opened just days ago, on schedule and under budget. Built from highly durable concrete designed for southwestern Ontario's climate. This project overcame constant weather challenges, traffic detours, and construction noise to deliver major upgrades for our region. Crews poured over 3,000 cubic meters of concrete, roughly 500 truckloads, to create a roundabout robust enough to withstand freeze-thaw cycles and the weight of thousands of daily vehicles. This isn't just infrastructure, it's a new local landmark designed to safely handle up to 20,000 vehicles a day and provide smoother commuter flow through Tecumseh, Lakeshore, and beyond. This is the second major roundabout constructed along County Road 42 in just over a year, forming the core of Phase 3 of a multi-year regional transformation. The roundabout now allows uninterrupted north-south traffic and eastward route, while County Road 42 westbound remains closed as Phase 4 road widening continues. Businesses and residents around the intersection have felt the impact all summer, facing detours, slower commutes, and decreased foot traffic, particularly for restaurants and shops caught in the construction zone. County and municipal officials point to astonishing growth in the area. Thousands of new homes, the nearby Nexstar battery plant, and the new Windsor hospital mean traffic volumes in future development need modern infrastructure now. The Phase 3 widening of County Road 42 is nearly complete and covers the stretch westward from the new roundabout to L'Esperance Road, adding new sidewalks, bike lanes, curbs, and landscaping. This segment is targeting completion by December 2025, with boulevard restoration enhancing both appearance and safety. Work on Phase 4 will keep County Road 42 closed further west, extending upgrades all the way to Banwell Road by mid-2026. The final phase, already slated for $90 or $100 million in total regional investment, continues from County Road 43 to Windsor, promising 5 lanes of travel, cutting-edge roundabouts, and trail connectivity for walkers and cyclists. Essex has now invested $186 million in its road network over the last 2 years, prompting awards and recognition for quality municipal concrete work. Congrats, GIP Construction. For drivers, relief is here. The new roundabout keeps traffic moving, eliminates old signal light bottleneck, and reduces wear and tear on area roads. For businesses, hopes are high that improved access and smoother flow will restore lost revenue and bring more customers as the disruptions wind down. However, while capturing video for this update, I recorded another frustrating problem a little further up Manning toward Tecumseh Road. Trains. Across Canada, railroads are generally prohibited from blocking a public grade crossing for more than 5 minutes when there are vehicles or pedestrians waiting to cross. This rule, known as the 5-minute rule, is set by Transport Canada's grade crossing regulations. It's good to have rules, but this regulation may not apply if the train is simply passing through at a slow speed, rather than stopping or switching. In those cases, longer delays are possible without violating the letter of the law. Regulations focus on minimizing stopped blockage, not necessarily total passage time for long cargo trains. This was a lot longer than 5 minutes. Traffic backed up from Easy Row Expressway, through the Manning Roundabout, and stretched south towards Baseline Road. That's traffic backed up around 5 kilometers or 3 miles. Benefits of millions in infrastructure upgrades rendered useless. The Canadian National and Canadian Pacific run mainline traffic through Essex County, including freight to from the Windsor-Detroit corridor, with numerous daily train movements, although exact daily train counts specific to Essex County are not publicly specified. CN and CP jointly handle high volumes of cross-border and domestic freight in the region. The trains crossing Essex County can be quite long, commonly between 50 and 150 rail cars or more. A 150-car freight train would be roughly 1.5 miles long, moving anywhere from 5 miles per hour up to 50 miles per hour on main lines. At 5 miles an hour, it takes approximately 18 minutes to travel 1.5 miles, and that is permissible. Train crossings on busy roads should be either an underpass or overpass to eliminate this blockage. However, this is only my opinion from a layperson's point of view. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.